Hi guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa full performance ni Maria Katrina Ligados, historic supranational victory sa Miss Supranational 2026. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to, kaya play na natin to. Without further ado, let's do begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara! Play na natin. Alright. Wait lang guys. So, here we go. Ang ganda ng national costume ni Katrina, no? Gumamela. Ganda.
Joining the top 24 is
Philippines.
Philippines.
Ang ganda ng mukha ni Katrina, no? Guys, nakita ko na sa personal si Katrina. Grabe, sobrang ganda niya. Grabe yung swimsuit round niya. Yung performance niya dito, no?
The 11th woman moving forward is the Philippines.
Yo! Grabe yung kanya, yung face card niya.
Philippines, your time starts now.
As a visionary leader, I want to be a shining example to every woman that we are only limited by the boundaries we set for ourselves. So let us never stop becoming, because true greatness starts when limit ends.
Yes.
Dziękuję.
Dziękuję.
Grabe yung gown niya dito, no? Ganda ng gown niya. Pati yung details ng gown niya.
And the last one to join the top 5 is
The Philippines.
the Philippines.
Please tell us about the moment you stopped trying to become the woman the world expected and you started becoming the woman you really meant to be.
I always believe that we should never fit into a mold.
Oh.
We are perfectly imperfect. I am someone who struggles perfection, but I am here today doing my best and becoming my best version. And here in Miss Supranational, I know I belong. I know a place for me, and this is becoming Supra.
Wow.
Above and beyond.
Grabe namang sagot yan. Sobrang napaka-powerful ng kanyang sagot.
The crown of Miss Supranational 2026 is waiting. Miss Supranational 2026 is
Pilipinas. The Philippines.
the Philippines.
Grabe, kinikilabutan ako. Sobrang deserving niya talaga.
And now with the great esteem, we name the first runner-up, France. Thank you. Katrina
Ligado.
from the Philippines. Congratulations!
Grabe.
This is Miss
Nakaka-proud, no?
Supranational 2026,
Taon ng Pilipinas ngayon.
representing the Philippines.
Yun na guys, crowning moment.
One more big round of applause. Makaterina Legado from the Philippines, Miss Supranational 2026.
Siya pa yung kauna-una nagsuot ng bagong crown ng Miss Supranational 2026.
Makaterina Delgado from the Philippines, Miss Supranational 2026. Please take your
Your
first
crown.
walk as our queen.
Ganda. Guys, hindi nyo ba napansin yung stage ng Supra ngayon, para siyang buwan. Kahawig ng stage nung Miss Universe 2018, no? Ganda. Nakaka-proud. Galing ng Pilipino. Sobrang bagay na bagay sa kanya yung bagong corona ng Miss Supra. Nice one, nice one. Congratulations. Yun, no? Grabe naman, nakaka-proud. Tapos mamaya si Felipe naman. Sana mag-back to back mo. Ang tagal natin nakuha yung pangalawang corona, no? Isang dekadang mahigit, no? Tama po ba? 13 years. Diba? Si Mutia yung kauna-unahan na isupra natin eh. 2013, tama. Kasi kung ako nun eh. Second year college. Second year ba? First year ata. Nakalimutan kita. Alright. Kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan to malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye po.